In a world full of opportunities, starting a business in Singapore has never been easier. But wait, what if we told you that you can start a business with zero capital? Yes, you heard that right. Welcome to today's guide, where we unlock the secrets of launching a business in Singapore without spending a dime. Breaking the myth: do you need capital to start? Many aspiring entrepreneurs hesitate to take the leap because of financial constraints. Is digitalization too expensive? Is an initial investment a must? Well, let's break this myth. With the right tools, mindset, and strategies, you can kickstart your entrepreneurial journey with no upfront cost. Why Singapore is a hotspot for startups? Singapore's startup ecosystem is designed for innovation. The government encourages entrepreneurship, making it easier to register your business at a minimal cost. For those starting without capital, opting for a sole proprietorship or partnership is a great way to begin without complex corporate setups. Your biggest investments? Time, creativity, and dedication. Leverage free and low-cost tools. Starting a business doesn't mean breaking the bank. Use free and budget-friendly tools to scale your startup. Website builders. Platforms like WordPress help you create a website for free. Graphic design. Canva lets you design eye-catching visuals with ease. Project management. Trello keeps your tasks organized without spending a cent. Start small with service-based businesses. The easiest way to start without capital? Offer services instead of products. Freelance writing and copywriting. Help businesses with content creation. Digital marketing services. Specialize in SEO, social media, and PPC advertising. Consulting and coaching. Share your expertise with others. Virtual assistants. Help business owners with admin tasks remotely. Networking. Your key to growth. Singapore is a hub for networking and collaboration. Build connections, find mentors, and explore partnerships. The best part? Networking costs nothing but can open doors to unlimited opportunities. Crowdfunding and alternative funding options. Need a financial boost? Singapore has various funding options to support your ideas. Government grants. The Singapore government provides startup grants for entrepreneurs. Crowdfunding platforms. Raise funds from people who believe in your vision. Angel investors and venture capitalists. Investors looking for the next big idea might support you. Think outside the box. The power of bartering. No money? No problem. Bartering is a smart way to exchange services instead of paying for them. For example, a web designer could create a website for a photographer in exchange for professional photos. Business compliance. What you need to know. Once your business starts growing, ensure you comply with Singapore's business regulations. Licenses and permits. Certain industries require approvals before starting. Registered business address. Inform ACRA and maintain proper office hours. GST registration. If your turnover exceeds $1 million, GST registration is mandatory. CPF contributions. Ensure proper contributions to the Central Provident Fund, CPF. The future of business in Singapore, AI and digital transformation. The future is digital. Technology, automation, and alternative financing models are redefining businesses in Singapore. AI and automation. Smart businesses are leveraging AI to reduce costs and increase efficiency. Alternative financing models, revenue-based financing, crowdfunding, and venture debt are gaining popularity. With smart strategies, capital constraints are no longer a barrier to success. Final thoughts: take the leap. Ready to take your first step towards entrepreneurship? Richest Soft's app development experts are here to help. Let's build your business together, with zero capital. Contact us today and turn your business dream into reality. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business insights. See you in the next video.